Hello! Today we are going to talk about how to preserve your ginger root for future use. You will need 2 to 3 large ginger roots, 1 large bowl, a knife or a potato peeler, a spoon or a juice extractor, a measuring cup, and a small strainer, a blender, ice cube trays, and freezer bags. Now that you have all of your tools, let's get started. The 5 steps are: step number 1, soak your roots approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Step number 2, scrape the skin off the ginger roots. Step number 3, cut the ginger roots in small pieces. And step number 4, place them in the blender and add 2 to 3 cups of water. Chop, then liquefy. Step number 5, strain your juice into the ice trays and place them in the freezer. This is the reveal. Once the ginger juice is frozen, remove it from the ice tray and place it in freezer bags. Get 1 cube as needed for your drink or tea or soup or whatever you might need ginger juice for. Enjoy! If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video.